What's the meaning of anesthetic? Anesthetic. 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 Anesthetic.
The term anesthetic refers to a substance that can temporarily impair sensation and consciousness. It is commonly used in medical procedures to minimize the pain experienced by patients. The result of administering an anesthetic can range from sedation or relaxation to full unconsciousness, depending on the strength and dosage of the particular drug used. Anesthetics are typically administered by injection, inhalation, or topical application, and are carefully monitored by trained medical professionals to ensure patient safety. Overall, the use of anesthetics plays a critical role in modern medicine by allowing for pain-free surgical and diagnostic procedures.